Hey friends, Catherine here. I'm going to be doing a bit more dot mandalaing today on this canvas that we did the sun on before. Today we're going to do the rest of the sky in blues. I have got a Delta Creamcoat Ultra Blue, a Delta Creamcoat Navy Blue, and a Craft Essentials Violet, which isn't really blue, but we're going to put it in the sky anyway. I've got some things that are of an appropriate size to make dots with, a pencil, an actual dotting tool, a bit of bamboo skewer, that's the word I was looking for, and a cuticle oil applicator. So those are the different size dots we're going to be doing today. Let's put out our paint and see how it goes. All right, go. Let's see. I'm not a real fan of the blues that I've got. I need to expand my collection of blue colors, but use what you've got. There we go. Oh, you can't see that. Scooch that over a bit. There we have it. And some of that violet. I'm doing colors that are all darker than the sky because that's what I've decided to do for this. So I don't know if I want to do an actual mandala pattern or if I want to just do a random pattern. So let's start by working off of that sun and then see where we end up going from there. Okay. I think maybe the bamboo next. That paint is not very good anymore. It's kind of gone slimy. Well, we might not end up being able to use that color, or we might end up having to mix a little bit of white or something into it to see if we can't get it a bit more cohesive, or less cohesive. Let's mix a little bit of white. This is going to be just the Delta Creamcoat white. Go. Might end up with a bit of a lighter color, but as long as it works, let's see if we can't mix it in. A little bit grayish. That's not really what we want, but might work out. Let's add a little bit of the navy blue to that and see if we can't darken it back up now. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's more of the color that I want. And it might work for dotting now. We shall see. Please ignore the birds in the background. They are having a blast for some reason. Okay. So let's clean that off a bit and see if we can end up with something a little bit more like a dot. That's better. That'll work out nicer. There we go. Okay. Then let's take it down even smaller and go into the violet. There we go. Okay. Now, do I want to go bigger again? Maybe not. Maybe we'll go back to our middle blue and kind of dot that out along the horizon, I think. That could make something interesting happen. That could be fun. Okay. And then maybe like the dark blue. Okay. Then maybe clean off the back of that pencil and go in with the lighter blue again over here. And like right here, maybe. And then with the darker blue between those. And then let's go back to the lighter blue and do like a progressively smaller dot walking outward around those larger dots, or the darker dots. Because that'll give it a kind of swirling, turning look, which could be fun. Oh. Okay. Then maybe like go back to the purple, the violet. And do the same thing. Okay. And then I think just kind of maybe random dots filling in around that, or maybe a second row of purple to accentuate that first one. That could be interesting. Yeah, and then maybe like just random-ish dots out further. Maybe like and then like the dark blue. Ooh, in like clusters, that could be fun. And that's getting pretty filled up with dots now. Maybe go to like the smaller end and go back to like light blue, and then just put like triangle dots in places. That could be fun. Okay. That's pretty good. I think I'm satisfied with how that turned out. What do you think? I would love to know your comments or your opinion in the comments down below. So leave a message telling me how you think this guy turned out. If you didn't like it, let me know that too. Though let me know how you think I could have improved it or done better. Have a look at that. There we go. And remember to subscribe. And I will see you all another day. Bye.